green, stay green, stay green, yay! Oh, you go fast because you have stickers! Whee! It's a nice, beautiful day to hear my crappy voice. Yay! I like your signal, it's so pretty. The signals are overrated anyway. Can we merge nicely? That person has to be first. We all come together at the very end. What have we got up ahead? Which way do we merge? Which way do we merge? We'll find out. Because of my camera setup, I don't think y'all can see that. Maybe you can see blinky lights in the far off distance. Wee woo, wee woo. See him until it was like last second, but I waved back. Never gets old. Makes my day. I can stop. Oh, pupper. Bumpy, bumpy bumps. Well, that was nice of you. Wow. Exit route. What the heck? People figure it out. Yeah, sillies. I really don't like being stuck in the crosswalk, but this person can't figure out where they're going. Merge in slow motion. Come on. You can do it. Oh, no problem. I could go slow. Everything is awesome sauce. Avoiding this on the way home. That was fun. Pretty. You need Jesus. Did I get my first road rage, or is she just yelling at herself? I don't know what that was about. But okay. I don't think that was directed towards me. And if it was, why? My goodness, people. Oh. The sun is blinding. That looks so fun. Oh, I made it through that. Oh, puppy. You want to get out of the road? Ooh, 2 puppies. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. You want to get out of the road, please? Thank you. I'm getting out of here. I love dogs, but my God, that dog was too curious. Probably would have licked me to death, though. But you cannot be too safe. Cute puppies. Good puppies. No harm, no foul. Made that moment interesting. Okay, let's just be in the middle of the road. Oh, that's so nice of you. Oh. As far as vlogging goes, everybody starts somewhere. I'm awkward as all get out. I know that. I know my videos are boring. I try to keep them entertaining for what it's worth. I don't think she's okay. Alright, hood down. Let's go. And no, she wasn't even saying a dang word. Her mouth was just moving like she was talking to somebody. Drugs are bad, kids. Oh, it is getting chillier out. I am so glad I got my warmer gloves on. I don't know if they'll be warm enough though, but I do have those wired up or wired in or whatever they were called. I have not yet used those. So, I don't know. I'm no longer getting blinded by the sunset. I'm getting blinded by LED lights. Awesome. Oh, I didn't see the motorcyclist because I was blinded by the dude's high beams, all beams, whatever beams. At least he was wearing a helmet. Probably commuting. Still red, dude. Get off your phone. Anybody in the back? Yep. Oh my gosh, that look. And his door's open, huh? Okay. Wanna go? There we go. Meep meep. Distracted from the phone. I got the meep meep. Because somebody's way too distracted on their phone. I am so glad you're in front of me. So I can avoid the tee. Oh, that'd be cool if you turned off here. Yay. Truck can go over there if you don't like me here. I don't care. Oh, there you are. There's always one in the pack. Go, go, go. Don't know what to talk about. I'll just keep practicing more. Maybe on my other channels or whatnot. I just gotta practice more. Nice. Oh, I can't wait to get inside and warm up. Maybe my hands are so cold. Oi! Well, mostly the fingertips. But it is really hard to find gloves that fit my hands. Ooh! What's happening here? Okay. I don't know what's happening. I'll go nice and slow. Oh. Huh. Okay. Maybe a car stalled or something. Didn't know what was happening. All the lights blurred together. That was cool. Really, dude. Somebody wants to be on YouTube. Ha ha ha.